In this ROS2 plotting tutorial, I will show you how to plot your signals in real time using PlotJuggler. I'll be using the TeslaBot simulation that I built previously, so go ahead and check it out. So the agenda for today is we'll talk about how to install PlotJuggler, run PlotJuggler, plot the signals, save the plot layout, and load the plot layout. So by the end of this video, we'll see how the joint trajectories for the elbows will be plotted out in real time. So you can see this is what we'll see by the end of this video. So to install PlotJuggler, all you need to do is run these two commands. One is the PlotJuggler and the other one is PlotJuggler-ROS. To run PlotJuggler, you could run it from the terminal using ROS2 run PlotJuggler, or you can also put it inside your launch file here using the execute process, which I've done. So in one terminal, we could go ahead and start it up by running this command, which we introduced in the previous video, and then the other command to start up our joint publisher. So I'm going to go ahead and run that. So here, I've already sourced it. I'm going to run my launch file. So this is going to start up PlotJuggler. And they're known for, you can see this is our PlotJuggler here. And then in my second terminal, I'm going to go ahead and run the joint publisher. So this is publishing the joints. You can see my robot here is now moving, doing the curls, but now we need to actually set up some of the things for the plot. Okay, to set up the plot, you see here under streaming, there's a ROS2 topic subscriber, so you have to click the start button, and then here you could choose the topic name that you're interested in. For me, it's going to be this one here, so I'm going to hit OK. And then once it loads, you could expand this, expand it again, and you're going to see under points, it's going to be the points that we're looking at. So if I pull this down, you can see more of the window. And you can see here is the positions. So you could go ahead and click on this and then drag it over. And this will plot the joints for one of them. And if you hover over this by the X icon, you can see here the vertical or horizontal split. I'm going to split it up and down. And then now I could drag my second signal here to see both joints at the same time. And you can also drag it in the same plot if you want to see two plot together. So if I drag position 1, you can see there's two overlay together. Okay. So you may be interested in saving this layout that we've created. So to do that, you could click these icons here. One is load, and then the other icon is save. So you want to click the up arrow, and then there's going to be a window that pops up. So this is the window, and you could go ahead and save it to the name that you want. Here I'm calling it 2joint layout, and it's saved as an XML file. Okay, so now if you actually want to use the layout that you saved, what you want to do now is use the other button. So this is a load button, and you want to click the layout that you saved and you hit open. And after you hit open, you're going to see a window that pops up. Start the previously used streaming plugin, and you're going to hit yes. And you're going to confirm the topic that you want. And once it's done loading, you see that your two plots are now showing. So this is great if you want to reuse your plot layouts without having to redo it every time. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.